that was really heavy and that you had to carry everywhere, to a little laptop-like machine that basically looks and works like a laptop, except you can only type in it, and instead of a screen, it has a piece of paper that you can write in. And then after that, computers and typewriters merged to turn computers into what we know them today. Yep.
People still use the typewriters because they still work. They offer distraction-free alternatives to the modern-day methods for producing a document. They challenge the users to be more efficient and see their errors on paper.